Welcome to the CA/RC Migrator for DB2 for ZOS video. We have developed a set of JCL velocity templates for DB2 schema provisioning, and in the following demo we'll show you two sample workflows for their usage with the modern DevOps Toolkit. The first scenario we want to show is work within IDE. We have two subsystems, D11A with the table Db2, which has a single column called 1. Assuming it's a prod environment, and D12A, which has no such table, assuming that it's a dev environment. After configuration of environments and the relations, template substitutions, change sets and credentials, we can start. To get a DDL from prod, we will execute ddlgen source prev command. After execution is done, we can go into the build folder and check the job log, template, and received DDL file. The latter will be saved into the dev environment folder as well. Then we'll add a column called employee. After that, we would like to verify we have no SQL errors using command syntax. If everything is good, we need to execute command compare. To make RC Migrator generate batch processor cards, we'll get that report downloaded as well as shortened incremental change language report. If we are satisfied with upcoming changes, we will execute the deploy command. As a result, D12A will have Db2 table created with additional column employee. In addition to usual reports, we'll get a deploy report which speaks for itself and a deploy recovery file. The second scenario enables CI/CD using Git webhooks and Jenkins. First of all, we need to prepare a DDL for the next environment. We worked in dev, so it will be prod. Then execute ddlgen command. It will retrieve a DDL from dev and apply a change set for prod. After that, we'll commit changes to dev. Then promote them to prod with a pull request or simple merge and push in our case. Changes in prod will trigger the deploy pipeline, which will perform the same syntax and compare commands. After comparison is done, the pipeline will stop. The DBA will receive an email with a link to the job and ICL report. He can either approve or reject the changes. In case of approval, then deploy will be performed, recovery file obtained and pushed to Git, as well as DDL for the current branch will be received. We committed it environment independent, and now we want all the data. And DDL for the next branch will be prepared and committed. Otherwise, pipeline stops and change is not applied. As a result, we can see the prod subsystem having our promoted changes.